I am Dr. Tina, having my clinic in Margaon at Costa Towers opposite Galen. Basically, I have launched my new brand over here, which is Ayurvesia. Ayurvesia is all about nature's wellness, where we are talking about healing, revival, renewal of all chronic managed diseases. We are talking about organ reversals, we are talking about disease reversals, we are talking about things to take to wellness. We are talking about how we can reverse back to health with the medications. We have launched 5 kits today. In Jan, we are going to be coming up with 15 kits more to add, and also we have Cosma and nutraceuticals getting added to the product line. We are going to be an e-commerce portal throughout Pan India, and we are into global exports. Our medicines are completely herbal, Ayurvedic, 100% vegetarian, gluten free. To contact us, please contact us on our website www.ayurvesia.com or on our social handles of Ayurvesia. Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.